Okay, guys. 15, 20 minutes with me. Let's go. It doesn't matter. You pause this, go and get you a drink, and grab whatever it is you're working on, because you do not have to be working on the same thing I am. You do not. That is the truth. But we're going to get all kinds of things done, because we're working it together. So, wings. I know this is wings. So this goes, I don't know what I did with my thing that had all of my doodads on it. Okay, so wings, and I've got room here. Okay. Oh, and you guys aren't going to have a little square of me this time, because I have to empty it. So, sorry. Let's see. I think I'm just going to do this right here. Not going to do the words and stuff together, but just, you know, these guys. Just these guys. So, come on. I'm just going to try and take it all off. Of course, that's the wrong side. There we go. This will work much better. Dingleberry. No, so, you know, and I was thinking yesterday when I was doing this, I was showing you stuff, and I said, that is totally not the purpose of this. I can't show you stuff. I just got to entertain you so that you will join me. Oops, I didn't mean to get any on my letters. So that you would join me and have fun while you're doing what you need to do to organize your space. So, you know, there's lots of great videos out there. I have some myself. I think they're pretty cool because they're my ideas. You know. But yeah, so you just have to look at, look out there and find what's going to work for you in your space. And do your research, know what you're going to do, and then turn me on with a little cup of coffee or whatever. And if you get going in the mornings or in the afternoons or in the evenings, whatever time, and just slip me on. So there's some butterflies. You know, I'm not, I mean, I know I've stamped these stamps before. I'm not all that thrilled with this hybrid nouveau. Yeah. I mean, because I've stamped where I've just, you know, inked it and stamped. I didn't have a stamp holder, didn't have a thing. But every one of these is coming out kind of not crisp. Not crisp. So I think I am going to change over. I'm saying I don't like it. I'm just going to have to play around with it a little bit more. I'm going to change over to my VersaFine. I know that works very well. Okay, and I have a feeling this is still somewhat wet. So I'm just going to wipe off. Well, I don't think it's really all that wet. Okay, so there's the wings part of this one. So we went to while my daughter and grandson were here, we went to a indoor fun house, indoor fun place, whatever you want to do with that. And she always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. Oh, that's pretty. I don't remember what I did with those though. Is that like inspirational? What did I do with that? It's been so long. Quotes for journals. That'll work. So anyway, but they have all kinds of fun stuff in there. And first, my daughter and I go on this. Oh, they have them at Disney. It's like, excuse me, it's like a 3D game. And you go in and you, well, at Disney, you just go and sit down and watch it, and you feel the chairs move, the wind blows in your face, so you are telling your mind, ha ha, you're on an escalator, on a, like a roller coaster, or you're falling off a building or whatever, and your mind feels all of those things that you would feel. I think. I mean, at least what I think it would feel like to fall off a building is kind of what. Yeah, I like that so much better. So anyway, I don't think that's wet at all anymore. So we thought, okay, I think everybody, I don't know why I squirted there. I think everybody would enjoy this. So now I did have to close my eyes a few times. Yes, I did. But that was okay. Oh, I forgot. This is 152. I'm going to have to go back into wings. Yeah, so we talk everybody into coming. And so we have all of us. And it was so much fun. It was just so much fun. And then all the kids and myself, my husband did not go, but all the kids and myself went one more time. And my grandson, it was a different one. And my grandson, they say that if you, need to stop and get out, raise your arms above your head and make the X mark, the X. Well, I see out of the corner of my eye my grandson doing something funky, and I look over. At the same time, he's saying, I'm doing it, but it's not working. I'm like, what's going on, honey? I lean into him and whisper in his ear, and he said, I'm getting scared. And I was crossing my arms, but they weren't stopping. And I said, okay, sweetie, listen, Nana will tell you when you need to close your eyes. So go ahead and close your eyes. And so he closed his eyes, and he just listened to when I said, okay, now open them up and shoot them. So he opens them up, and he shoots and shoots and shoots and shoots. And then, you get to a point where you feel like, okay, we're going to start going over the edge of this building or whatever, and sure enough, I'd say, okay, close your eyes, and he would close them. It was perfect, though. It really was. It was just perfect. So I was trying to find, I know I have a bunch of hearts, so I was trying to find some place. I got a lot of them here, so I'll do this heart right here. Not that you care. You don't look. You just listen to me and get your own work done. Or sit and watch me and fantasize about getting your own work done. I have done that before too. Yep, I think we all have been there. Anyway, so we did that for the rest of the game. And pretty much Nana was closing her eyes the same time she told him, but I'd leave it cracked just a little bit so I could kind of see when it stopped rushing. Oh, man, it was a lot, but it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. So, and I bought my husband for Christmas a VR. And he's like, oh, you bought that for yourself. I don't play games and stuff. I said, honey, this is totally different than when we used to sit down with the boys and play some games with them or whatever. Totally different. And he got, all right. So first we got him started on a fishing game. And we couldn't get off of it. He was having such a fun time fishing, and he'd throw the fishing rod, And thank goodness it would just automatically go down into his cup holder of the seat he was sitting in, virtually. And so, you know, yeah, so he was like, he really enjoyed that, for sure, for sure. But then my son had to leave, and I had other things I needed to get done, so he kept playing. He was having such a good time, which I'm so happy, because, you know, sometimes you get stuff and you're like, I don't like it. Well, okay. He's not always that easy to buy for, and of course, you know, so what do you want? I don't really need anything. Well, I know that. What do you want? Okay, I need to find another stamp. But yeah, we just had ourselves a super fun time, and I know I put a couple other stamps up somewhere. I've got a lot more. I do. Okay. These I'll go into the same thing as well, but okay. So I've got these, and this is all going to go in odds and ends, so I think I'm just going to get a new one. But yeah, so he played that, good Lord, I think for like 45 minutes. And before that, we got that game that is, this is quotes for journals. We got that game that, oh goodness, what do you call it? Did I write the number down on that? 152? I did, but I did not here. Odds and ends. We got that Beat Saber, and it's a workout game. And oh my goodness, it was so much fun. A lot of work. I played one and was done. I mean, I probably could have played a second one. I don't know. I might just be saying that because I don't want to sound really bad, but I'll play the surgery card. I just had surgery in June. Major surgery in June. Hey, y'all leave me alone. So anyway, played that Beat Saber. Ooh, I'm going to like that. In fact, I'm probably going to get on that as soon as I finish with my 15 or 20 minutes. It's been 13 minutes, guys, and we're working it out. Come on. I need this to open up. I obviously haven't used this one yet. I don't think so. Oh, my goodness. Come on. Okay, there's that. Ah, wow. I put so much pressure on that, it folded. Okay. Now let's see. This is odds and ends. Okay, and on this side. Yeah, so I will probably try and do that a little bit today as well. So I am doing the whole stamp set just because I'm assuming that all of these are going to probably go together. And oops. There we go. Hopefully that's not going to screw it up too badly. Live, learn, smile, laugh, love, dance, give, celebrate, run, work, hug. I guess you're supposed to, they're not even straight on there, so I don't know if you're supposed to cut those apart. You know, like stamp it and then cut them apart, but you would think they'd just be evenly go, be, jump, celebrate, hug, work, run, give. That's kind of weird. Kind of weird. All right. So there we go. You get the picture. I do anyway, and that's all that matters. Yeah, so been trying to figure out what all I'm going to do this year. And I kind of, you know, think the year ahead and stuff. So it's always nice. It's always nice to go ahead and do that because it's just, it can just get kind of overwhelming sometimes, I think, if you're, you know, trying to figure all of that out, stay on task, yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. But anyway, I have a lot of fun doing this with you guys because I love crafting, and this way I don't have to craft by myself. It's so good. Let's see, what are we at? Oh, we're like 16 minutes. Well, I want to finish this one on the odds and ends, and this is going to be 153, and I'm just going to draw my nice little line so that I can have room for other things. 153. But yeah, we're just going to be having fun. And the whole idea of creating stuff and having fun with it, that's, you know, that's kind of what it's all about. That's what I'm interested in anyway, is just to create some stuff, have some fun doing it. Oh, I've got this on the back side. I don't want it on the back side. I want it on the front side. So let me, I don't know why. Huh. Yeah, but this is the back side, isn't it? Yes, it is. I don't know why they have, maybe I used it once and mixed it up. I don't know. But they've got the wording on the, oh, this one's going to be way too hard. That will be another day. Another day. There's, all those little pieces are going to have to be done. And I'm past my 15 minutes. So guys, you may continue if you like. Absolutely go for it. Don't burn yourself out because you do need to, let's see, what, I didn't finish that one. That one needs to go right here. You do need to make sure that we are going to be doing it every single day. Every day, every day, every day. So I got 2 done today. Not bad. That's okay. More than I would have done if I wasn't doing this. You know what I'm saying? See, I'm not sure what I did, however, with the one stamp set that there's that one. And these 2 still need to be done. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so I got these done, and I'm going to add one more to the back of this one, so I'm going to leave it in here. And this one I've got just by itself. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.